Margot Robbie looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Cameron Diaz looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Angelina Jolie looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Reese Witherspoon looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Salma Hayek looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Kate Winslet looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Blake Lively looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Rihanna looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Alexandra Daddario looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Jessica Biel looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Madonna looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. Jennifer Lopez looks like this, with makeup and without makeup. And that's it for today's video. Which of these transformations surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeless Fold, where we bring you fascinating stories and moments you'll never forget.